Hello everybody and Assalamu alaikum. How's everybody doing? कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? I'm fine, Alhamdulillah. So today's vlog will be about my Chand Raat and my Eid celebrations. So yeah, we have heard from the mosque that the moon has seen, Chand Nazar aa gaya hai, and the next day is Eid inshallah. So yeah, everybody, Eid Mubarak from my family to you, from me to you, to all my sisters, brothers, everybody who's watching. Eid Mubarak, bahut bahut Eid Mubarak ho. So I left this Ramadan with a better version of myself, alhamdulillah. So I had made some efforts during the Ramadan, which I was really pleased with. So I have read the Quran more during the Ramadan, I've prayed more, and just being really, aware of what you're doing, what you're saying, what you're talking about. So yeah, that was a really good and blessed month for me, alhamdulillah, and I hope it was a blessed and good month for you, for all of you who are watching my vlogs. And I hope you are a better version of yourself after this Ramadan, because the Ramadan is all about doing better deeds, good deeds, and in the end we will all get a good reward for this, inshallah. So yeah, this is the atmosphere at my house during the Chand Raat. I put on some beautiful nasheed and some views of the Kaaba, mashallah, some scenes of the last year for the Hajj, of course, and I'm just putting on some mehndi, some henna. बच्चों को मेहंदी लगा रही हूँ on my kids' hands. So yeah, they're really loving it, and so I really love the design. She's telling me now she has something on her hand. And yeah, this one is from Hamad. He wanted to have a boat on his hand with the H, of course, from Hamad inside, and he said you have to write down Eid Mubarak. I said, alright, you know what, I'm gonna try. And alhamdulillah, it turned out well. It was looking so beautiful, and he was really happy with it actually. So I didn't get the chance to put Mehendi on Nisa's hands because it was already really late, I think about 10 o'clock in the night. And yeah, Nisa, baby Ahad was really crying a lot, so he was really fussy and he was sleepy, and the kids were sleepy. So I thought, you know what, let's get them into bed. And I promised Nisa I will do it on the Eid day. But yeah, as you guys already know, on the Eid day it was even more. I was even more busier, so yeah, I didn't do it. But I will do it inshallah during this week. So here I am, late night cooking. I already started the lamb curry which I was making. I decided to just boil the lamb for like 60 to 70% before I cooked it. I did that for the first time, and alhamdulillah, it was so delicious and yummy, and the lamb was like really moist and soft. It was really yummy. So here I am cooking away, and yeah, I was so tired at this moment, but I was like, you know what? I wanted to make like 3 or 4 dishes. So if I'm gonna cook now 2 or 3 dishes and tomorrow in the morning 2 dishes, so that will be better for myself, because at the Eid day itself you have lots of things to do. So here's the jelly which I'm making. I made the kids a rainbow jelly, so that turned out really yummy, alhamdulillah. I saw this on Shamsa's vlogs. She's a beautiful mom of 6 or 7 kids, and she's really good. She's also a YouTuber. So yeah, I had seen this idea on her YouTube channel. She made this for one of the iftaris, and I was like, you know what? Let me make this for Eid, because I know the kids gonna love it, and because of the rainbow. So yeah, I made this jelly and it turned out really good. So let me know in the comment section below what you guys made on Eid day and how your Eid day went. I would love to read that. I'd love to read your comments, so please do comment every time you watch the videos. So yeah, and here it is. The jelly is done, and I'm gonna let it rest for about 10 minutes before I'm gonna put the jelly in the fridge. And so the Eid day has arrived. Eid Mubarak everybody, as I told you guys earlier. So here is my Eid decoration, alhamdulillah, and the goodie bags for the kids. Oh my god, I was so excited about these goodie bags. I think I was even more excited than the kids. So yeah, I told my kids a beautiful story. We are reading an Islamic book about with Islamic stories inside, and they are they're really loving the stories. I might share that book with you in another vlog. Yeah, I will definitely share that in another vlog. And yeah, so I told them about the gifts, and they were like, who gifts, who comes to deliver the gifts? And I was like, yeah, the angels, because they know the angels, they work for Allah Ta'ala, alhamdulillah, and they know that the angels are gonna come. And that's what I told them, the angels, they work for Allah Ta'ala, so they are gonna come and distribute all of the presents. Yeah, so alhamdulillah, they were so happy with that. And of course, Eid morning you have to make the savanya, yeah, because there's no Eid without savanya. So here I am making the savanya, and they turned out really well, alhamdulillah. So savanya, or in English vermicelli with some milk and with sugar. It's actually a sweet dish which you can prepare on Eid day. Hi. Eid Mubarak. Eid Mubarak, Jenny. Eid Mubarak, baby Ahad. Hi, are you okay? Are you weak? What's wrong, Baba? Ahad, Eid Mubarak. Hello. Eid Mubarak, Jenny, money. Hey, are you awake, Babish? Look at the little tiny toes. Hey, Chote. Hi, Eid Mubarak. Eid Mubarak, Hamad. Eid Mubarak, Nisa. Oh, yeah. Oh, who's excited?
Yeah.
Are you excited? Oh.
This one. Mommy, look.
Okay, I think this bag is for you then, because there's a girls' things in there. Okay.
I love girls' things.
Okay, shall mommy give it to you? You want to sit down on the sofa, so yeah? So you can pack it. We can have a look. Come on. Eid Mubarak. Eid Mubarak. What is that, Ahad? Baji to help her. She's gonna help you. A football. Oh, Ahad, look at that. How do you like that? You like that, Anna? Yeah. What is this? Oh, I think, look. Butterbees. Oh, this is really for boys. Aeroplanes and cars and trains. Oh, I heard you like it. Look at that face. He's smiling. Look at that face. I heard you like it. What did you like it? Yeah. That means he likes it. This is what I heard.
It's what I heard.
He's gonna eat it. Ahad, it's not food.
He's a bunny.
Alright, who's next? Your turn, Hamad. Let's go. Eid Mubarak, Hamad. What happened, Ahad? What is this, Papa? Play-Doh. Let me see, what is that? Chocolate Nutella sticks. Yummy. What else is in the bag? Oh my god. Show me. Can I have a look? Oh, Paw Patrol. You love Paw Patrol, Hannah? Are you happy, boy? I had this. What is that? What is that? Sand. Blue stretchy sand to play with. Oh, wow. So many gifts, Ahmad. Cars. What are these? Have a good look. What is that? Planes, airplanes. Is there some more stuff in there?
Candy.
So many candy. That is not allowed.
Candy is allowed.
Oh, Eid is okay, Hannah. But Eid is allowed too. Yummy and bubblicious. Yeah, look it. Yummy. What is still one there? A book?
Oh, good.
Wow. No, I think this one is for you. This is with flamingos. I think with the unicorns, that is for Zoya.
Fingers.
Flamingos, yeah.
Fingers.
Then you can draw in this. Look.
Oh, yeah.
It's all the animals,
I heard
stickers,
Sticker other one.
and then you can draw everything. Look, all the animals. Oh, and the birds.
Sticker.
Like it, Hannah. More stickers. And then a book you can draw in it, Hamad. Make beautiful drawings, Baba. Yeah. Look.
So for things.
So many things, Hannah. All for you. Eid Mubarak, Zoya. Look at the happy face. But first, show everybody your Mendy. Show everybody your Mendy. It's like that. Oh, it turned out so beautiful. Now Zoya's too excited to have a look. Alright, Zoya, go ahead. So Zoya's actually my funny skits, and she was just gonna empty out the whole bag before she's gonna even look at what's in there. So yeah, she's really funny. Zoya is just emptying out the whole thing. Oh my god, what is it? Oh, can you show us? Lipstick.
I don't know, you can have it.
Can I have it? Oh, thank you. Some yummy sticks with chocolate. What do you have? Some kinetic sand. Oh, pink one. How did you know you like pink? Yes, yeah. Allah Ta'ala knows everything, you know. What is that? Play-Doh. Wow.
I love pink too.
You like pink too, Hannah, I know.
I love this. Revelation.
Oh my god, now you're allowed to eat candy, Hannah. What else do you have? Alright. A new mug.
I want to play with it.
Also Paw Patrol. Hamad has a Paw Patrol, but he has a boys one and you have a girls one. Oh, nice. Love it. And what do you have? Can I have a look at this book, Zoya? If you want to show everybody.
Play, Mama, I'll open it.
Alright, honey, we can open it. Oh, Bismillah. Can you show them, Zoya, what is inside? Can I have a look at the unicorn stickers? Oh my god, they're beautiful. Look at those stickers, Zoya. It's such a beautiful book. So many stickers. That's not fair. That is not fair, Zoya. You like it? Alright, whose turn is it next, Zoya?
Nisa.
Yeah.
Nisa?
Eid Mubarak. What did Nisa get?
yeah.
What is that?
It's stretchy sand, and
Oh,
it's my favorite color.
is it enough?
Wow.
What is it, Nisa?
Like necklace with the snake thingy.
Can you have a? Can you put it like this? Then you can have a look. Oh, mashallah, that's
I
beautiful.
love that.
And I have these bracelets. I really like that one.
You like that one?
The one with the snake.
I love those.
Oh, I think
Like
it's a
the-
set, Nisa. You can pair it together.
Yeah, I know. Like,
Oh, that's nice, you know?
yeah.
So,
This
chocolate
because I love
sticks.
it. And then
What else do you have? Bubblicious,
Is my
your
favorite
favorite. And some Mentos.
One time I had one of those.
Yeah.
I love that one.
coloring book.
That's only
Is it a
Because I
coloring?
always make sketches.
Oh, is it a coloring book or drawing book?
Sketching.
Sketching book.
Nisa's
Can I have a look?
good.
Can you turn it around and show everybody?
I know I have one.
You can hold it like this, then I can show it like that. Then I can show it to have a proper look.
Bubblicious.
Mega drawing book. Oh, I know that because you love drawing.
Yeah,
sketching.
I always try to sketch, but like the papers that I have, they have like lines. They are
Yeah.
just for writing.
Nisa's so good.
This is so good. Yours are nice too.
Mommy, look, I made you.
I'm still learning how to.
That's not me. You like it, Nisa? You like that? Alright. Alright, what are we gonna say? Thank you.
Eid Mubarak.
Eid Mubarak and thank you Allah Ta'ala.
Thank you.
And all the angels.
And all the angels. Allah Ta'ala.
Yeah, thank you Allah Ta'ala for the gifts, and thank you angels for bringing the gifts to our house. And how is this Baba doing? Hey! He's a bit fishy. Hey! Hey! This is the dress what I'm going to wear today for Eid. So guys can see it's really nice. I love the work on the sleeves and over here. So beautiful. Look. How gorgeous is this? The camera is just not doing justice to this. So beautiful. It's actually I don't know what it's called, jalaba. Yeah, it's also a gift from Baba. He brought this one back from Saudi Arabia for me, so I thought, you know what, it's a nice occasion to wear today. So as I showed you guys earlier, all the cooking is done and the rice is also done, and now I've dressed up all the kids, and now it's my turn to get dressed. So I thought we're gonna dress up, and after that we're gonna go to my sister-in-law's house. We are gonna have some lunch over there, eat lunch, and after that gonna come back, and tonight I'm gonna show you all the setup of our own Eid table, inshallah. So yeah, I'm gonna dress up, and then I'm gonna show you what the kids are wearing and how they're looking. So we were in such a hurry that I forgot to show you what the kids were wearing, so I thought, you know what, I'm gonna just put some pictures over here so that you know what the kids were wearing. So these are the gift packets we are gonna give to our family and friends. My husband and the kids already delivered some of them yesterday, and I got 2 left. One is for my mom, another one is for my sister. These are actually wax melts, so you can just put it in there, and it has lots of beautiful yummy smelling perfumes over there. And this is a company which one of my friends started. She's also a beautiful mom of 2 beautiful girls, mashallah. And yeah, she started her own business, and it's called House of Scents. And if you want to make your house smell really nice and well, just go on Instagram and check out House of Scents. I'm gonna tell you all the details later on because I'm in a hurry now. So I'm gonna take all these beautiful packages, and we're gonna deliver them, and gonna go to my sister-in-law's house for lunch because it's already 4 o'clock, so actually almost dinner time. We need to hurry up. So for Eid dinner we had some Turkish bread, some chicken tikka with some chicken rice, some lamb curry, some raita, some samosas, and of course my vermicelli which I made. We had some Moroccan cookies and also some gulab jamun. So there was a lot of food to eat and really enjoyed that. I also have made the rainbow jelly, of course, which I forgot to put on the table, but we had that after the dinner. And here I'm showing you all the colors, but I don't know, they were not really visible, so I thought, you know what, I'm gonna break a bite and then show it to you guys. So as you guys can see, look really beautiful, mashallah. So I hope you enjoyed this Eid vlog, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Bye bye, Allah Hafiz, and stay safe.